What's up, my YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter fans? I kind of been off the YouTube scene and tried the Facebook scene with the videos for a while, and it was a success, I may say. So thank you all who have commented, liked, and gave feedback. It means so much to me. Anyways, to finish up with talking, I am going to be singing Beyonce Flaws and All. So here we go. I'm a train wreck in the morning. I'm a bitch in the afternoon. Every now and then without warning, I can be really mean towards you. I'm a puzzle, yes indeed. Ever complex in every way. And all the pieces aren't even in the box. Yeah, you see the picture clear as day. I don't know why you love me, and that's why I love you. Catch me when I fall, simply flaws and all, and that's why I love you.